All right, good people. So there was an African American mom on Facebook, and she was really stressed out. She just had triplets and just couldn't figure out how to keep the house clean. I was feeling her. Although I've never had triplets, I did have three small children. And even today, keeping that house spick and span is a challenge. So in this video, I'm going to share some simple top cleaning tips that you and your kids will absolutely love. And with that, let's get started. Hey, so I've expanded my role at work, and while it's mostly all good, I am more tired than usual. So, my kitchen and some other household responsibilities have taken a hit. My living room had become a makeshift sleeping area since I had been too tired to make it to my bed, and the clutter was out of control. So the time is now to get everything back on track, and I'm going to allow you to watch me do it. All right, so these 5 cleaning secrets are ones that you can implement quickly, inexpensively, and they'll make a big impact on your space. So I advise the Facebook mom to do what I do, which is clear those big clutter items first. They're easiest to move, and once you get them out of the way, you're going to see some instant progress. The removal of those quilts and blankets are already making a difference. I'm continuing my clutter blasting by clearing off that table and discarding any of the mail that is no longer relevant. Another tip is that you want to fill the dishwasher as you're cleaning. So you don't want to wait until the end or even the beginning, but as you're cleaning, start filling the dishwasher. But the dishwasher will actually be the very last thing you do in your cleaning regimen. You'll also want to wipe down these surfaces. I use different products depending on what I'm cleaning. So right here, you see me wiping down the stainless steel refrigerator. For that, I use Windex Streak Free Shine with vinegar. I use that for the refrigerator, the microwave, stove, and dishwasher. For my kitchen table, I'm using Windex Multisurface Disinfectant Cleaner. And you'll see that I'm wiping things to the floor. Don't be too concerned. It's just that the floor is the last thing I'll tackle. So I know that I'm going to get those items up after. Now I'm ready to tackle that countertop. So you see I'm clearing that off. And once again, I'm using that Windex Multi-Surface Disinfectant Cleaner along with a cup of hot water that I'm warming up in the microwave. I did this because the countertop was feeling a little sticky and grimy, so I wanted to give it an extra clean. I also cleaned the blinds, and for that I use Clorox Cleaner Plus Bleach. I also use that particular product to clean the bathrooms. Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. So one of the final things that I like to do is sweep and mop. I don't know if I'm having as much fun as our lady right here, but it is pretty satisfying since it's typically close to the end of the cleaning process. If you need to clean some luxury vinyl flooring like I do, I suggest you put some water and Mr. Clean in a spray bottle, mop away, and the place will look good and have a wonderful scent too. And now for our question of the day. Do you have a cleaning secret that you'd like to share with other moms? Put your response in the comments and we'll talk about it down below. Here's a bonus tip. Multitask wisely. You see here I'm organizing my spice rack while the microwave is heating up some water for me. Or I sometimes do this while I'm putting on a load of clothes. The point here is just to make the best use of your time. As a final tip, I suggest that you add some decor. This floral arrangement was pretty simple to make. You and the kiddos could definitely do that as a project and have some fun. It's not exactly the best piece of decor because it's actually a fall arrangement, but you know what? It still looks good and I'm happy with it. And so I suggest that you do the same for your kitchen. So this is the before, and yes, it is a wreck. You see that Valentine's Day balloon that's hanging on his last leg, needed to be thrown out. Well, we tossed that. We got rid of the mail that was no longer needed. Cleared out all the clutter, cleaned the floors, reorganized the spice rack, wiped down all of the surfaces, did some mopping, refreshened everything with some Lysol as well as some wax melts. And we just did a whole kitchen redo. And I didn't have to show this, folks, but I did because I think it's important for people to know that, yeah, sometimes you have a rough moment and it's okay. You can reorganize again and come back stronger. You don't have to feel like this is defining you. It's just a matter of organizing your space and taking some time to do it. So to my sister on Facebook, if you need some help, certainly reach out to me personally, but take a look at this video and I'm sure you can get some steps to help you get back on track. Here's the after. Yes, all the clutter is gone. The clothes are either in the wash or put away. The mail has been dumped. I got rid of that Valentine's Day balloon. If you saw in the other picture, there was even some Halloween items that were still out. I tossed those too. But the point is that you too can get back on track in just a few steps. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.